Okay, for this last problem, not that bad as all the other problems. This one's a lot better. So this problem says find the left and right limits as x approaches 1 of the function f of x. And then they give us a piecewise function, right? And then they ask, does uh, the limit of x approaches 1 of f of x exist? So, we kind of need to solve this first in order to determine this, right? All right, so let's try doing that. So remember, we could always just try and plugging in 1, because they gave us 1 here. So let's just try doing that. So, we got 2 of x squared plus 1, right? 2 of x squared plus 1. So let's plug in 1. 2, 1 squared plus 1. This is just the same as 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So that's the answer for that one. Then they give us over here in the piecewise function just 1, x equals 1. And yeah, that's true. 1 is equal to 1. So yeah, that's true. And then x plus 3 is the last one. So we plug in 1 for x. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So we see that 3 and 4 are clearly not the same number, 3 and 4, right? So because of that, we could determine that because 3 and 4 and the left and the right side aren't the same number, that means that the limit or the limit as x approaches 1 doesn't exist because both have to be the same in order for the limit to exist. So we could conclude that the answer for this question is D and E. Okay, not that bad as the other ones. And then we have the true or false questions. But unfortunately, I couldn't get to these. But as you can see here, they have this question, which is similar to the question that they give us here. So for this one, we could say this is definitely true. For this one, this one's definitely true, because you need both the left and the right limits to exist. So yeah, that's all I really got for now. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. And then maybe when I talk to my roommate, he'll explain this to me, and I'll send you a different video. So yeah.